We do have EFF's Secretary General, Marshal Dlamini, who is joining us to talk about their expectations ahead of the State of the Nation address. There's lots to talk about, especially when you look at some of the work that has already been done by the Government of National Unity. What are some of their impressions when it comes to this particular report back that we can expect from the President? And I thank you so much for your time. And let's first, for you, speak about, as a party, when you look at the Government of National Unity, tonight we're expecting to hear some of what they would have done and some of what they still need to do. What are some of your expectations?
Look, they've not done anything. They just went to office and they were just busy with infighting, disagreements among themselves. There's absolutely nothing that they can come, and we're waiting for Cyril to come and tell us. But as things stand, and South Africans are witnesses to that, there's absolutely nothing that the GNU they've done. All they've been involved in is just PR exercise, just talking and fighting among themselves. But in terms of implementation, things that can impact and contribute to the livelihood of ordinary South Africans, there's absolutely nothing that you can go to any province, to any community, any township. You can't touch anything that you can say this is what they've done to improve the lives of the people. They've not delivered any services. There are no jobs that have been created. Actually, we are under their leadership. We've lost jobs in different sectors. So there's absolutely nothing. Expect that he might come here and give us more promises. But you know, as we said in 2018, is the EFF that Cyril wants to be a president, but he doesn't know what to do with that presidency. And 6 years later, he has not done anything. You remember, he came here making a lot of noise. He's a businessman. He's got investment summits. Even 2022, he even lied. He said he's secured about 330 billion through his investment summit. What happened to that investment? He's not done anything.
You do have some who say that, just listening to Brett Heron, for example, from the Good Party just a short while ago, and Kumbuzo Ntabeni earlier on, they say that with any marriage, there will be teething problems. There will be problems that are going to have the parties trying to find their voice. And then at the same time, you then look at what your former member of parliament, Mbuyiseni Ndlozi, had to say, that maybe this man is not exactly what we have been told, because he's gone against the establishment, as they put it, to say that he's, given us the Bella Act and all of that. So maybe he may be in a step in the right direction, notwithstanding some of the cloud against him, above his head. What do you say then to those who are saying that?
No, leadership is not about excuses. You took a responsibility to lead. They can't go to their marriage that they chose themselves to go, the ANC, to go and work with the racist DA and the Freedom Front Plus, whom they know that ideological and everything else, they don't find each other. When they fail and demonstrate their incompetence, and then they want us to understand that they're telling us about marriages, it's none of our business. They are failing. You ask me a question, what they've done, I'm saying zero. So for that excuse of saying, no, it's a marriage, they are confirming what I'm saying, that they've failed, they've not done anything. And the people of South Africa, they've got no time. Our people, they want food, they want jobs, they want shelter, they want security in this country for their families and the future generations. And they failed on all aspects. So there's absolutely nothing that they can point out, because we did not, they were not put in government to test marriages. They were put to implement policies that is going to impact to the improvement of the people's lives in this country. And as things stand, they are sitting at zero. That's why they are acknowledging by saying there's teething problems and all that, which is none of our business.
Marshal Dlamini, keen to hear your thoughts post the State of the Nation address, then, if it does hit all the right notes, because some of the South Africans that we've been in conversation with as the SABC also echo what you say. Bread and butter issues are the big issues for them. That's Marshal Dlamini there, who's the Secretary General of the EFF.